How to make a geometry dash level. I'm going to tell you how to make a geometry dash level in 2025. First, open geometry dash and go to the editor by tapping the hammer or wrench icon. Start a new level and give it a name. You'll see a grid with controls for placing blocks, spikes, platforms, and triggers. Use build mode to place objects, edit mode to move or rotate them, and delete mode to clean up mistakes. You can add jump pads, speed changers, and even change the background or song through settings. The music really matters. It controls the vibe and helps time in jumps. So use something rhythmic. Hit the playtest button a lot. It's the only way to survive this. Finally, once you think it's good or slightly less terrible, you can publish it and let other players rage at your creation.